Good morning to all. The topic which we are going to discuss is characteristics of HCP structure, where HCP structure means hexagonally closed packed structure. For that, we are going to have some characteristics of HCP structure. First one is coordination number. It is the number of nearest equidistant neighboring atoms which is directly surrounding an atom in an unit cell is called coordination number. Nearest neighboring distance is the distance between the centers of any two nearest neighboring atoms. Then we have atomic radius. It is half the distance between the nearest neighboring atom in the crystal. The number of atoms per unit cell is the total number of atoms possessed or shared by an unit cell. Then we are having atomic packing factor or density of packing. It is the ratio of volume occupied by all the atoms in an unit cell to the volume of the unit cell, that is small v divided by capital V. Now we will see the structure of the HCP crystal. HCP lattice contains 7 points in the top and bottom layers and 3 points in the middle layer. For example, magnesium, quartz, calcite, those materials are having HCP structure. Here first image we can see there are 3 layers. One is topmost, another one is bottom, then middle of the in top layer and bottom layer there are 7 points and 6 points in corners and 1 point at the middle of the plane, and there are 3 points which are in triangular shape is placed between the top layer and bottom layer, that is called the middle layer. Here we can see the examples of and atomic arrangements of HCP structure. Cadmium and cadmium lattice shows the HCP crystal structure, and also tin lattice shows the HCP crystal structure. Here we can have in a layer the center atom has six nearest neighboring atoms in the same plane. In B layer, that is lower layer, a distance C by 2 above A layer there are 3 nearest neighboring atoms. In C layer at a distance C by 2 below at A layer there are 3 nearest neighboring atoms. So totally the coordination number for HCP structure is 12, that is coordination number of HCP structure is 12. Then we are having the HCP structure, that is number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atoms in the upper hexagonal plane is there are 6 number of corner atoms and which is shared by 6 other unit cells. So 1 by 6 into 6 is equal to 1. The number of atoms in the lower hexagonal plane is almost the same of upper layer, that is 1 by 6 into 6 is equal to 1. And the number of central atoms in the top and bottom layer which is placed in middle or center of the layer is called there are 2 and which is shared by another 2 unit cells. So it is 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1. And number of atoms in the middle layer which is not shared by any other unit cell is 3. So totally there are 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 6 number of atoms. So total number of atoms in the HCP crystal is 6. Then say here we can see the coordination number diagram. Then for atomic packing factor, it has 0.74% of atoms which are arranged or packed in the crystal structure. Remaining 36% of places are empty in this crystal structure. In this we have seen the characteristics of an hexagonally closed packed structure. Thank you.